Operator 229?
Yes, somebody got shot in my store.
Okay.
7
Paramedics,
South Broadway.
don't hang up.
Yeah.
Fire paramedics, operator 227, what's the address of the emergency?
7 South Broadway?
Yes, you're the president.
7 South Broadway?
Yes, somebody got shot in the store.
Okay, I'm going to get you some help. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
During the standoff, Anderson moved the hostage to a window overlooking the street and was observed pointing a handgun at her head. SWAT officers immediately forced entry into the apartment, and an officer-involved shooting occurred.
He's got a gun to someone's head.
What?
Look.
Shut the fuck up.
Or a knife.
Oh, fuck.
Get down.